Text appears over a white background and the Louisiana Special School District logo. July 22nd, 2020 Superintendent's JCall message. Black male interpreter appears on screen. Message from Superintendent Ernest E. Garrett III. Black and white photo of Superintendent Ernest E. Garrett III appears on screen. As you prepare for your young scholars' return to school, you probably have many questions regarding what instruction and safety are going to look like. You can find a list of frequently asked questions at www.ssdofla.com. Written text appears over a graphic of a chalkboard. Welcome back to school. Frequently asked questions, FAQ, www.ssdofla.com. Officially, LSDVI will begin the school year with virtual instruction on August 3rd and transition to on-campus instruction on Monday, August 17th, with dorm students arriving on August 16th. Join us this Sunday from 4 to 5 p.m. for our virtual Zoom back-to-school bash. What a great way to meet our staff and learn of SSD's plans for your young scholars' safe return. Send your questions to ssdcommunications@la.gov. Video fades to black.